Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, today we're doing chapter 17, problem 18, and this problem asks us to draw the 7 resonance structures of tropylium cation. So what we have here is our tropylium ion, but now it has a positive charge because this carbon only has 3 bonds, so it's a carbocation to begin with. And what we know about resonance structures, well, you distinguish between resonance structures with double-headed arrows. Remember, resonance structure is just the movement of electrons. You're not really breaking any bonds or making any bonds. You're just moving the electrons around pretty much. So what we see here, we have this pi bond that can be moved down here. And if you were to move that pi bond, now we see that we have that pi bond, which I'll draw in blue, move down here. And we have our original pi bonds here and here. And now the carbocation also moved to up here. So this is one resonance structure. At the same time, this pi bond over here can move over there. I'll do this in green actually. So now we have another resonance structure. Another carbocation up here. And not only that, we can move around this carbocation, these pi bond electrons even more. So over here. And now remember, we started with the carbocation directly on the most bottom carbon. But if you were to repeat this process, move this pi bond over here, we would see that we actually don't end up with the carbocation on that original carbon quite yet. We can still go around the ring. So now the carbocation is, or the new pi bond is down there. Now the carbocation is right here on this carbon. So we can still keep going. We can move now this pi bond over here. So we have a pi bond here, and now we just added pi bond there, so we get the carbocation up here, which is different than any structure we've drawn thus far. Then we can draw one more resonance structure to move that pi bond over here. Then we get the carbocation on this carbon, and now finally, if I were to move this pi bond over here, then I would end up with my original compound again. So we have 7 resonance structures for this molecule here.